In this tutorial, I'll show you how to cancel an authorized payment in Parting Pro. You have a 3-hour window to cancel a payment after it is submitted. This is true for both payments submitted by the family through the online arranger or an invoice, or payments recorded by a funeral home user. There are a few ways to cancel payments. First, on the Payments tab of the case, for any miscellaneous payments, you can find the Cancel Payment option in the Action menu associated with that payment. Simply click on the 3 dots and click Cancel Payment. For payments on an invoice, click to open the invoice. In the Payments section, you can find the Cancel Payment option in the Action menu for the payment. Simply click the 3 little dots and you'll find the Cancel Payment option at the bottom. Lastly, if you head to the Payments page in the dashboard, you can see the current payment status for all payments across all cases. Here you can clearly see which payments are in an authorized state versus a successful state. Any payment with an authorized status can still be canceled. Click to open the Payment Details page. Here, you'll see the Cancel Payment button. Go ahead and click that button to initiate the cancellation process. You'll be presented with a window where you'll have to select the reason for cancellation. You can choose between duplicate, fraudulent, requested by customer, or other. Please note that if you do select other, you will be required to add additional notes about the cancellation. Let's imagine that the customer requested the cancellation of this payment because they used the wrong card. Go ahead and select Requested by Customer for the reason, and we'll input further details here. Once you're ready, you can go ahead and click Confirm Cancellation. The payment will now be marked as canceled, and the reason and any notes you added will be recorded in the timeline. If we head back to the Payments table, you can also see that the status of that payment will be updated to canceled. If we head to the invoice, we can see the status is reflected here as well, and the invoice is updated to reflect an unpaid status. No fees are charged for canceled transactions, and funds will not be withdrawn from the payer's account. That's it. You've successfully canceled a payment in Parting Pro. Thanks for watching, and for more guides or assistance, visit our help center or reach out to our support team.